Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn the various types of joins in SQL. After watching this video, you should be able to apply the joins in SQL to retrieve data from two or more tables. There are various departments in an organization in which several employees work. So how can we sort the list of employees belonging to a particular department? In this case, you can use SQL joins to retrieve the required records. So what does SQL join actually do? SQL join will combine data from two or more tables in a database based on a common field between both of them. Using SQL joins, you can fetch exactly the data you want from any number of tables with just one query. By using any search parameter, you choose to filter the results. There are different types of joins available in SQL. In this video, we will look at some of the most commonly used joins. Inner join or equi-join, self-join, left join or left outer join, right join or right outer join, full join or full outer join. Now let us look at each one of them. Inner join returns all the rows from both tables as long as there is a match between the columns in both the tables. The shaded part in the Venn diagram represents the outcome of inner join. The syntax for inner join is shown on screen. To understand inner join, let us take an example of a department table and an employee table which is shown on screen. By applying the inner join query on the department table and the employee table, the records that match with the department number value on both the tables will be returned. Now let us look at self-join. Self-join is joining the table with itself based on a specific condition. The syntax for self-join is shown on screen. To understand the self-join more clearly, let us look at two employee tables, E1 and E2, which is shown on screen. By applying the self-join query on employee E1 table and employee E2 table, the records of employee names along with their corresponding manager names to whom they report will be retrieved. An outer join is performed whenever two or more tables are joined in an SQL statement. Outer join is further categorized into three types: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Left outer join returns all the rows from the left table with the matching rows in the right table. The shaded part in the Venn diagram represents the outcome of left outer join. The syntax for left outer join is shown on screen. To understand left outer join, let us take the example of department table and employee table shown on screen. By applying the left outer join query on department table and employee table, all the rows from employee table with matching rows in the department table based on the department number will be returned. Also notice that if a department number in the employee table does not exist in the department table, then all fields in the department table will display as null in the results set. Right outer join returns all the rows from the right table with matching rows in the left table. The shaded part in the Venn diagram represents the outcome of right outer join. The syntax for right outer join is shown on screen. To understand right outer join, let us take an example of a department table and an employee table shown on screen. By applying the right outer join on department table and employee table, all the rows from the department table with matching rows in the employee table based on department number will be returned. If a department number value in the department table does not exist in the employee table, then all fields in the employee table will display as null in the results set. So far, we have seen left outer join and right outer join. Now let us see the results of full outer join. Full outer join returns all matching records from both tables whether other table matches or not. Full outer join is also known as full join. The shaded part in the Venn diagram represents the outcome of full outer join. The syntax for full outer join is shown on screen. By applying full outer join query to the department table and the employee table, all the matching records and non-matching records from both tables based on the given condition will be returned. Similar to left join and right join, if the condition is not met, the full outer join would also display null value in the result set. Now let us do a quick recap on what we learned from this video. SQL joins are used to combine data from two or more tables in a database. There are different types of joins in SQL: inner join, self join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Inner join is used to return all the rows from both tables as long as there is a match between the columns in both the tables. Self join is used for joining the table with itself. Left outer join is used to return all the rows from the left table with matching rows in the right table. Right outer join is used to return all the rows from the right table with matching rows in the left table. Full outer join is used to return all matching records from both tables whether the other table matches or not. Thank you for watching this video.